Guys, it's Jake Williams, your master extensionist for Showpony here in Europe. We've just finished our presentation on stage at Stagecode in Venice. Fantastic event put on by the Argis Distribution team. Here's my beautiful model. This is Beatrice. I've actually been showing on stage alternate ways that you can use hair extensions. So really what I wanted to show today was how you could use hair extensions in place of colour.